Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In my capacity as the Imam of Mr. Rahma Elise, I want to take this opportunity to make dua and to say, تقبل الله منا ومنكم كل عام وأنتم طيبون. We want to thank each and every one of you. I want to thank you personally for your efforts in making this again another year of a successful Ramadan, inshallah azza. And when I say I want to thank everyone, I mean everyone other than myself. At the top of the list, I want to thank the admin who always at the background of what they're trying to do is to facilitate khair and ease for the community, spending on the community, planning for the community. May Allah Ta'ala bless our brother Jahangir, the leader of the community, and all of the Ansar who were with him on the board of trustees and on the shura. And then after that, we want to thank the Imams, those Imams, the three of them that carried us through the month of Ramadan. We want to make the community aware of the importance of the hamala of the Quran. خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه. So may Allah reward you guys. Also, those people who came to the masjid throughout the course of the month, and you spent your money, and you prayed with us, and you helped to clean up, and you helped to pass out the food, and so forth and so on. Those volunteers and the people who received, and they were recipients of the efforts of the volunteers. And lastly, we want to thank all of the people who performed i'tikaf. Keeping that sunnah alive in our masjid is what we're trying to do. We're trying to be people of the sunnah. Bring the sunnah, and we're going to embrace it, inshallah azza. We also want to acknowledge the efforts of our shabab, the youngsters from the community. Keep doing what you guys have been doing, and al-kamal is to Allah. May Allah divinely protect all of you guys. With that, brothers and sisters, we look forward, inshallah ta'ala, to keeping this train on the track and moving forward, inshallah. And as Al-Imam Al-Awza'i used to say, let the sunnah go forth and don't get in the way and try to stop it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.